not gonna cut out the picture. They already know what your face looks like, so it's not like a face reveal. Face reveal, baby! Oh wow, zooming in on the specs is really crazy. One single spec. So this just sticks on. Alright, so they can't see anything now. Completely oh my, I can kind of see your face pink. Oh my, that's crazy. Okay, so this is what a spec looks like. Sorry about the noise. Alright guys, so this is what a spec is. Enough with the zooming. I'll see you later, like when we're about to